So, can someone steal your brand after you have carried out CAC registration? The truth is, yes, they can actually steal your brand. Now, this is one of the most misunderstood, issues in Nigeria business law. Registering with Corporate Affairs Commission does not automatically protect your brand from being taken by someone else. The fact that you have carried out that CAC registration is not a final protection on your brand. So, there's something that goes ahead and helps you to protect that particular brand. So let's look at it from the legal truth. Yes, it can happen. Someone can go ahead and take up your brand even without your express permission. So in Nigeria, brand ownership is determined by trade law, that is the trademark law, not by just your CAC registration. So this simply means that you can legally register a business name or a company with CAC, still lose the right to use the name in the marketplace. Now, if another person register it first as a trademark, then you can lose a right or the right to carry out this particular or to use this particular brand for your business or for anything you want to do. So the first person to carry out trademark registration is the one who actually owns the business, not the one who goes ahead to carry out the CAC registration. So once a trademark is granted, the owner has exclusive nationwide right to use that brand for the registered goods or services. So regardless of who registered the business name first with the Corporate Affairs Commission, ownership is given by trademark and not by the Corporate Affairs Commission. Now, the second point I would love you guys to understand is that business identity and intellectual property can be compared. And let's do that comparison. Now, this confusion comes from mixing up two different concepts. So, if you have business identity, that is with the CAC, CAC actually confirms your business exists legally. It allows you to operate, open an account, and sign contract. It protects structure, not the brand. That's what the CAC registration does for you. It gives you the necessary legal structure that you need to be able to operate, allows you to get contract, to be sued, and it gives you a legal status. But for the intellectual property, the trademark comes into play. Trademark protects your brand element that the customer recognize. That is your logo, your trademark or the trade name itself. It covers and all these things are covered. You can pick your name, your trademark name, your slogan, your logo, and your product identity itself can also be protected. Now, for instance, it gives exclusive market right. So if you're in the market and your product is in the market, it gives you exclusive market right without any issue. So CAC answers the question, is the business registered? While trademark answer the question, who owns the brand? I believe that's clear enough. So why trademark law overrides CAC? It's simple. Trademark law exists to prevent consumer confusion. It protects goodwill and reputation, reward the first person to legally claim a brand in the market. Now, because of this, court gives priority to registered trademarks. CAC approvals does not invalidate trademark right. So, a CAC registered business can be forced to rebrand if it conflicts with a trademark. In simple terms, CAC record names, trademarks, law protects the brand. So, which one would you love to choose? Would you love to go for the protection of your brand, or would you like to just have your name in the record? Now, the main thing I want you to understand is this: most brand losses happen not because people are careless, but because they waited, and business owners often say that I want to trademark later when the business grow, and that by next week I'll trademark, by next year I'll trademark, not knowing that they are causing more harm than good. So unfortunately, growth is exactly what attracts imitators. Abi, once you grow, imitators will come into the picture. So taking action early will help you secure your brand before it becomes valuable. Saves rebranding and legal costs. It gives you peace of mind as you scale. Trademark protection is the cheapest and easiest at the beginning, not after problems arises. So the best thing you want to do is to carry out trademark registration for your business. So if, for instance, you are thinking of how can you carry out trademark registration, all you need to do is reach out to us. My contact will be in the DM, where you can send me a WhatsApp message, and I'll be attending to you, giving you a breakdown of what you need to supply for us to carry out your trademark registration. And secondly is that, what about if you want to carry out trademark registration for yourself, or you wish to start trademark registration as a business? We have a course that we have created called the Trademark Toolkit, And this trademark toolkit course, we have designed something that would walk you through how to professionally carry out trademark registration for yourself. How this day has actually helped you. If it has, do subscribe to this channel, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you share this video with someone who you think is going to need it. See you in the next one.